Question number 10. If A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, and C equal to 1, 3, 3, 1. Find the matrix C into B minus A. A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3. And matrix B is equal to 2, 1, 3, 2. C equal to 1, 3, 3, 1. Then we find C into B minus A. First, B minus A equal to B is 2, 1, 3, 2. Minus A is 1, 2, 2, 3. That is equal to 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2. 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 3, which implies B minus A is equal to 1 minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. That is B minus A. And C into B minus A equal to C is 1, 3, 3, 1. B minus A is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Then their product is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 1. And first row, second column, 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by minus 1. 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1. And 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 1 multiplied by minus 1. Second row, second column. C into B minus A. That is 1 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3. 3 plus 1 minus 3 minus 1, which implies C into B minus A equal to 3 plus 1 4, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, 3 plus 1 4, and minus 3 minus 1, that is equal to minus 4. Answer. Given A matrix equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, B matrix equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, and C equal to 1, 3, 3, 1. First we find B minus A. B is 2, 1, 3, 2 minus A is 1, 2, 2, 3. First element minus first element, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1, and 3 minus 2 equal to positive 1, and 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. 2 minus 3, that is equal to negative 1. And we find C into B minus A. Given C is 1, 3, 3, 1, and B minus A is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Product of C into B minus A, that is first row multiplied by first column, 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1. First multiplied by first plus second element, that is 3 multiplied by column's second element, that is 1. 3 into 1. Same 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1. And second row, that is 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. And 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Answer. Question number 11. First part. If A equal to 1, 0, 2, 1, B equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Find A square plus AB plus B square. First part. Given A is equal to 1, 0, 2, 1 and B is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 0. First we find A square equal to A into A, which implies 1, 0, 2, 1 into 1, 0, 2, 1. First row, first column. A square is equal to 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2. First row multiply by first column. Then 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. And 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Second row multiply by first column. Second row multiply by second column. That is 2 multiply by 0 plus 1 multiply by 1, which implies A square equal to 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. And 0 plus 1 equal to 1. A into B, product of AB. First we find product of AB, that is 1, 0, 2, 1 into 2, 3, minus 1, 0, which implies 1 into 2, product equal to 1 multiply by 2 plus 0 multiply by minus 1. 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1. And 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. And AB equal to 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 2 are 6. We find A square plus AB plus B square. First part. AB is 2, 3, 3, 6 and B square equal to B into B. 2, 3, minus 1, 0. 2, 3, minus 1, 0. Which implies 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1. And 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. So B square equal to 4 minus 3, 6 plus 0, minus 2 plus 0, minus 3 plus 0, which implies B square equal to 1, 6, minus 2 and minus 3. So A square plus AB plus B square equal to A square is 1, 0, 4, 1 plus AB is 2, 3, 3 and 6 and B square is 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3. So we get 1 plus 2 plus 1 and 0 plus 3 plus 6, 4 plus 3 plus minus 2, 1 plus 6 minus 3, which implies we get 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Answer. Given A is equal to 1, 0, 2, 1, B is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 0. We find, first part, we find A square plus AB plus B square. A square is A into A. Their product will be row multiply by column, row multiply by column. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, and 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1, that is 1, 0, 4, 1. And AB, product of AB, A is 1, 0, 2, 1, B is 2, 3, minus 1, 0. And same process, product of AB is row multiply by column, 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1, 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0, 2 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1, and 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. That is AB is 2, 3, 3, 6, and B square is B into B, row multiply by column and first row multiply by second column. Second row multiply by first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into minus 1, and minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Then we get B square is 2 2s are 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. 6 plus 0, 6, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. And sum of A square plus AB plus B square, we find A square plus AB plus B square, that is A square is 1, 0, 4, 1, and AB is 2, 3, 3, 6. So B square is, we get B square 1, 6, minus 2 and minus 3. And their sum is 1 plus 2 plus 1. First element adding, we get 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. And second element 0 plus 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. First element 4 plus 3, 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. And 1 plus 6, 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Answer.